I've always loved candles. There's just something special about lighting one and letting the flickering flame and lovely scent fill a room. I'd wanted to try making my own candles for ages but wasn't sure where to start. Then I stumbled upon this soy wax candle making kit and decided it was time to finally give it a go. I carefully melted the first batch of creamy white soy wax flakes in my makeshift double boiler, keeping a close eye on the thermometer. At 120 degrees, I stirred in my essential oils, a lovely lavender vanilla. Heavenly. Once mixed, I lowered my pre-waxed wicks into the glass jars using the helpful metal centering devices and slowly poured, watching the wax transform. After letting them cure properly, I was giddy to light my first candle. I couldn't believe how beautifully it burned. The wick stayed centered the whole time, the fragrance filled the room delicately, no jumping flames or soot to clean. I swelled with pride looking over my gorgeous handmade lavender vanilla candles that turned out even better than store-bought. Feeling confident, I decided to try some different scents and vessels for my next batches. Peppermint in Christmas tins, sandalwood in smooth squared jars, fresh rain in pretty etched glass, so many options with this quality soy wax. Making candles with my kit has become an incredibly enjoyable and even addictive hobby. Seeing the fruits of my handiwork flickering around the house, I'm just so proud of my newfound skills. Who would have thought that little bag of soy wax could bring so much creativity and comfort into my home? I can't wait to see what delightful scent I'll infuse my candles with next. I was eager to try some more intricate candle designs, so I decided to experiment with layering colors and scents. Following an online tutorial, I carefully melted different batches of soy wax, added coordinating liquid dyes, then alternated pouring them into a tall glass jar. I was holding my breath watching the colorful wax layers settle, hoping they would turn out with clean lines. And they did! I ended up with a beautiful tricolored candle that looked like it was from a fancy boutique. Feeling extra inspired, I decided to keep going by making swirled candles. Using a chopstick, I repeatedly stirred one colored batch before pouring so it had beautiful marbling once cooled. I have to admit, it took a few tries to get the effect right, but once I had the technique down I was hooked. Soon friends and family heard about my new soy candle creations through my little home business, Quiche Candles, and started asking if they could buy some. I was flattered. Having confidently mastered basic candles thanks to this wonderful kit, I felt ready to start selling. With creative touches like custom labels, gift boxes, and festive-themed collections, my hand-poured candles have been flying off the shelves. Who knew my candle-making hobby could turn into a flourishing passion project and small business? I'm over the moon and can't wait to experiment with new scents and designs. This soy wax really sparked my creativity. The possibilities are endless.